Okay, so our first user story is as a UBC student user, I want to be able to filter sections of the most recent year available, 2016, for a department and receive the grades for each section within that department with its corresponding section professor so that I can see the professors with the highest average. So we have like two DODs. One is like the successful filter. Um, so the given is with the data set already added. So if you look inside of our data folder, we have the sections, which is just our pair zip. When we go into our application, our when is going to be this is for like departments. Put in CPSC, which is a department, and call submit. Then you're going to get a list of professors corresponding with their averages. And you can see in the network that we get a status 200. For our failure, it's we have the same given, but then our when is an invalid department. So let's say we put in a number instead of a department string, and this will cause an error message to say to try again. So if I put in 100 and press submit, we get a try again error message on the screen, and then we also get the 400 status.
And then the second user story that we have is that a UBC student user wants to be able to filter rooms that have at least a certain number of seats. And then they want to find a room in order to find a room that has enough space for all of their friends to study in. So the given for this example is that the rooms dataset is already added. So we can see here in data, the rooms.json is already there. When we go to our client side, we can see the when. So this the user will type in a number, so it's like 100, and they can see that the network calls is working. And the then is the table being displayed with all the correct data being shown. We can also see the error. The second scenario is when a user is unsuccessful in their filter attempt for rooms. So the given is also that the rooms data set is already added, but this time the when is when they enter an invalid data type. So this time it will be a string. So if they type CPSC this time, they'll get a error call and it'll say try again. And those are both of our user stories.